Hey guys, how's it going? Check this out. Okay, this is a UFO taken in England. Now, it happened on 6/17/2020, so it's a little ways away, but however, it's still a cool UFO report that just came in today. And you see a beam of light coming out of this craft, and really, I'm getting flashbacks to Fire in the Sky. Do you remember that episode? A bunch of guys driving their truck up the mountain in Oregon, and they saw this light. They all get out, and one of them's hit by a beam of light in the chest, throwing him across the forest floor, and all the guys get in the truck, drive off. Well, that's what this reminds me of. It's just kind of crazy cool, that beam of light coming out. We hear about it all the time in different UFO sightings. It's just kind of crazy cool. What do you think? That doesn't look like an aircraft to me. It could be, of course. It could be a drone or something, but it doesn't look like it, guys. I've never seen anything like that, and if I'd seen that going across the foggy sky, I'd be recording it too, because damn, it kind of boggles the imagination of what it possibly could be. Okay, here we are with the original footage 100%, and the eyewitness himself. You know, the eyewitness is more important than our own views, because they were there, they saw it with their own eyes, and you just can't record exactly what you see and hear and feel and sense. The eyewitness says, "I saw a large object in the sky around 4 a.m. UK time. It was lit up red and had a light beam shining down from it. It was completely silent and moving from side to side in a straight line. By the time I ran upstairs to grab my phone and record it, the object had already moved further back and appeared smaller in this video, and is different from what I captured. The object then moved to the left in a straight line and then completely disappeared. I'm certain that this was not a drone, plane, helicopter, and as it made absolutely no sound. Guys, this looks similar to other UK things seen around military bases. What's going on? What's your thoughts? Hit like and subscribe. I want to hear what you have to say about this. Thank you very much."